This is Rod Kusanen, Spooman for Risk for December 13, 2016. We're looking for a short to develop here. We have now gone short at this high and looking for a retracement back to 2266. Why? Well, let's go back. Let's take a look at what happened right in here. When the market went up to 2269, we got a big bar down right here, and then a pivot at 2266 right here, with the lowest reading on the premium for a pivot in the last couple of hours. So on the basis of that, we are anticipating a short. That's about a 6-point short, maybe even better than that, developing here really any minute. It could be developing. So we're looking to short the market. We are short now, and we're just averaging into that position as we go forward. We had a corresponding big drop on the YM as well. Now, under normal circumstances, we would say that this big bar down, naked bar, or pardon me, was not a naked bar in and of itself. It was not. But it was significant. It was a significant drop in the premium. So with the corresponding drop into 2266, we could see this come right back down. Nice 7-point drop from where we are right now at 73. So we'll just have to watch this. Now let's look over to the premium here. Let's get that. And right in here, as we come into 1230, we just saw a little bit of divergence develop. I think we may have one more push up based on where that level of the premium is. But we'll go ahead and reset our threshold indicator, and we'll take that up to 1130 into just to see where that places us. Yeah, that's still a little high. So I think we've got to get a little bit more divergent before we actually begin to come down. So I think we'll probably test that 73 level. All right, we'll come back later on and review where we stand. Okay, we could see a bounce right here. So we think we'll go back up at this point, and then maybe try another short as we test that high. Well, we're having a little difficulty getting back up there. See, the premium is continuing to move down. That moved. We get a little pivot here. Didn't get very far on that last move up. So we have to be careful here that we don't miss the short. But by the same token, we've got to be careful that we aren't missing a potential long trade either. So we've taken a long position right in here. We got out of the initial short because I really do think we're gonna go back up. Everything tells me that when you look at the premium here, not to mention the overall trend. So we'll just keep an eye out. Okay, now to just recap about that short that we were talking about. Based on this big bar down, we said that 2266 looked very, very promising. The pivot was the low premium at negative 546. And it took a little while for this to materialize. It finally did. But as you can see, down we came. We bounced off of that level a couple of times and then still came back down before the end of the day. So it was right on the money. Exactly where the premium said it would go. It did. That's the benefit of knowing how to read the premium. If you don't know, you can learn, and we can teach it. We'll show you how we do this, and you will benefit by coming to a proper understanding of how to read the premium. I'm Rod Koosman, Spoon for Risk.